Up, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Now, I just want to share something with you guys, man. We all have that inability or that inner spirit, if you will. R.I.P. Johnny Danger. That inability or that inner spirit inside of us, man, that pushes us through all the bullshit, if you will. Pushes us through all the bullshit, man, that people may say about you, that you continue to chase your dreams, that drive inside of you, that helps you to push and excel into everything that you are called to be or everything that you want to be in this life. We all have that inability. We all have that inability, man, but you got to push and you got to press onto that potential of yours and don't care what people say, man. You got to really push on, have that drive inside of you. If you want to become this, if you want to be that, you have to have that drive, that inability, that inner spirit, that thick skin, if you will, that says F the haters, man, F everyone else. I'm going to continue to do what I believe that I want to do, things like that. So that's just something I want to share with you guys, man. We all have that inability to push and excel into whatever we want to be in this life. That pushes us and that drive inside of us. Maybe that inner drive, maybe that inner spirit, that says, fuck the haters. And keep on moving forward, man. Peace, love, and respect, man. Hope it encourages you guys. Hope it inspires you guys. Much love.
All the lies that we never can reject. As I pour out my heart with the words that I speak, here's a penny for your faults and the lives that I treat. Let me sing a little poetry, post a little tweet. Hear the words of a soldier, we live in these dirty streets. This letter's kinda sweet, I'm a gentleman, smooth in the bed sheet. Yeah, I'm a young pioneer who kicks it with the romance. Baby, you're chilling with the youngins, so let's slow down. Whisper in your ear and tell me what you're thinking. Sweet talk, ghetto message, got your heart sinking. Show you this passion of a real one. Sexual pleasures of satisfaction make you kill some. Just a young 25-year-old trying to be the voice. Educate myself to be the leader for my boys. I hated struggles growing up. I know poverty affects my poetry, but we're showing up. Yeah, it breaks my heart listening to the venom in your speech.
I was caught up in these blocks, I was caught up in these streets, I was chased by these cops, I was raised by these G's. It became a blur, it was all a dream. I will succeed. What's up, and it's been a long time coming. Last time we collabed, it was back in 2010, and I'm out here gunning. Baby girl, we're going places, I ain't messing around. I got the streets on lock now, here's a